Hi everybody. Here's an exercise for the students where they can practice using the quadratic formula. So let's go down here and we'll just take a look and see what I have on the plot. So I still have what I had in the previous exercise, the parabola, and you can change the width of the parabola. You can change, you can shift it left or right, or move it up and down. But as you can see, I've also added dots where the parabola crosses the x-axis, so dots where the roots are. So sometimes that's two distinct roots, sometimes that's just one like this, and sometimes it's none. So the idea is for the students just to pick a parabola to work with and then practice finding the roots. So let's try one here. Try this one. So what I have up here is I still have the vertex form of the equation, but I've multiplied that out as well so that you have the standard form. And so the students can get the A, the B, and the C they need for the quadratic formula. And then they can attempt to find the roots. And when they're done, they can check to see if they plugged in correctly, and they can check to see whether they calculated it correctly. So maybe I can, so as you move here, you can see everything changes with the equations and the calculated roots up there. And if there's no roots, let's try that. I just say that there's no real roots because the roots are complex, and the reason for that, of course, is because you have you get a negative number here underneath the square root sign. And then also, I did leave division by 0 in there. So if I do set a equal to 0, you don't really have a parabola. Right, you've got a horizontal line. But I couldn't avoid 0 here with the slider, so I left it in. So I just say undefined in that case. So anyway, there you go. There's a good exercise for students to get familiar with the quadratic formula.